Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A56 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here in this general list we have to scroll and find accounts and backup. Now let's tap on manage accounts and tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use Wi-Fi or mobile data. And here in this tab you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me quickly enter it and tap on next. So right here we have to enter the password and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, and tap on next. So here we have to decide who will be using this device, so just mark the option and tap on next. Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so you can tap on them to learn more and tap on Agree after reading. Okay, just be patient and give it a second. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can also remove it whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.